It's the next day. Today I'm going to be masking up the car, get it ready for paint, and also touching up the bar. So the bar came out like that. Very, very factory. There's a couple marks where it's pulled back, so I'm going to have to repaint it. Not the whole thing, just the marks. I'm going to test fit it on the car just to see what it looks like. And then after, I'm going to pop it over there, just out of the way, put some more black paint. And then over here, we're going to mask this up so it's ready to be painted. So yeah, do that now. There's the bar, looking pretty clean. It'll obviously sit higher, much higher, when it's actually mounted to the car. Right now it's just sitting in the little locating spots. Yeah, it already looks so much cleaner at the back. Once this quarter panel's painted, it's just gonna make it. Alright, currently in the process of masking up the car. So we've just got the half plastic here. And that's just being run all along the side there. I'll run another one along here and flip it all the way down to the back. In here we've got little soft edge tape, just when you fold it over and then you get a little soft edge like that. And then over here it'll be soft edged all the way down to the door. I had to flatten out the bottom here, but now it's all flat and nice. So yeah, all we have to do now is just drop the rest of the plastic, tape this together so no paint gets in there, and then yeah, it'll be ready to be painted. Alright, fully masked up. So it's just this part here that we're going to paint, and down there as well. So no paint will be able to get under there or anything. Half plastic is really, really nice. Highly recommend it. Yeah, it's all ready to go. Over here, Adrian's starting to work on his car. So we'll go over to him and have a look at what he wants to know. So what are you doing, Adrian?
Taking apart the whole car, I'm stripping it down so I can get it ready for paint.
What type of bar is this?
It's a TRD V1 style bar, I believe. So it's about $9 bar.
Fucking hell.
I know, it's so expensive.
And that's the guard. So this car's not too bad. It does have the stock Lexus engine. It's not a 3SGE. And all across it, it's just like completely fucked. Like all the body panels and shit don't really line up. That's not too bad. That's the easiest thing to fix it on the entire fucking car. They had these weird fucking badges on it. Yeah, all through here there's like ripples. You can kind of see it if you move the camera back and forth. So the reason why we bought it is because it's a 6-speed. So if it wasn't a 6-speed, we wouldn't have bought it. We got a pretty good deal on it, and I mean, it's an IS200. It goes hard when you send it. What the fuck is that?
I don't know. I don't know.
Dude, they seam sealed the fucking guard on.
That's what I mean, but like...
They fucking seam sealed the guard on.
Yeah, it's fuck. What the fuck? How is this what's underneath this?
Yeah, probably fucking cooked shit, dude. That's just me underneath it. Alright, well, Adrian's working on a Lexus. I may as well show you guys the Miata track car. Bone stock apart from coils. Done a couple weird things to it, like they've got a little bottle in here that sprays water on the back tyres to brake traction. The handbrake doesn't go back, so there's no gears in the handbrake, so you can use it as like a hydraulic. Big quotes. They've done like gauges, they replaced the LEDs in the dash for some reason. So it's kind of cool. Bucket seats, we put the carpet in, but before it had no carpet. The soft top is kind of cooked. There's holes throughout it. The guards, the front and rear one have seen better days. We've got another bar for it, we just haven't put it on yet because they put this fucking cooked exhaust on it. It's so stupid. But I've got another exhaust for it. And the other thing it needs is a radiator fan, so a thermo fan. I didn't expect it to go that hard, but it does. I think they welded the diff on it as well. So it's not limited slip, it's just full like both wheels always spinning, but I mean, gets the job done. You know, it drifts. It drifts pretty good. Oh, I'm gonna go paint my car. Alright, so it's got the new colour on there now. And if we shut the door just a tiny bit, see the colour matches up a lot nicer. And I'll give you a little update on the Lexus as well. Alright, so with the Lexus, we may have found a set of BC Golds for $900 if the guy takes them for that. All along here seems to be alright. Like that's not kinked in or anything, luckily.
I think this might be normal here.
Yeah, I think it might be as well.
Yeah, because I'm looking here, there's no light.
Well, you'll know when you fit the headlight.
Yeah.
We might have found another guard as well, but we're going to see if we can actually get it in because it's in Melbourne. So hopefully we can get that in as well. All that's left is to get the aftermarket headlights.
He says, yeah, sure, interested in the wheels or muffler. If not, I'll just chuck them on Marketplace. So it'll take
$900. Fucking, they're $1,500 coils, which has gone for $900. Yeah. And the muffler, I don't know, kind of sounds like shit, dude.
I'll wait till I get the Jap Speed exhaust.
Yeah, I think the Jap Speed ones will sound nice on it. So, and you know it's brand new, you know it'll work. I've also parked the Miata inside. I have to charge the battery because the battery's a bit flat. But try and get some more videos of this. It'd be fun to drift this on the track. It's like fully set up as well for it. We got half cage, got a fire extinguisher. It complies with like Australian track laws or whatever. So we just have to change this out, and then change the thermo fan, and then she'll be all good to drift again. All right, and that's the final result of the paint. So 2 coats of clear have been put on. Now we're just waiting for that to dry. And once it's all dry, the glass can go back in, the wheels can go back on, rear bar can go back on. But before I put that, I'm going to hook up the handbrake and the rear sway bar. But other than that, it's looking pretty nice. Probably going to leave it here. There's not much else we can do on the cars today, apart from take out like some other bits. The next couple of days, I'll be able to start putting the AE86 back together, which will be sweet as. Alright, so it's a new week. Today, I'm going to try and take all the masking off of the AE86, and also want to get this not hanging in the fucking doorway. So we're going to do that. I'm going to do some more AE86, and also going to help Adrian with his Lexus. Going to put some new BC coils in. So yeah, it's going to be good. Time to start unmasking the car. Alright, so that's how it turned out. It's a little bit bluer than the original paint, but you get up to the top and it starts to match better. And matches a bit better to the roof, a bit better on the boot line, and down the back here, it matches pretty well. So now I'm gonna pop on these vents and then put the glass back in. Give the glass a good clean because it's like fucked. Look at this So we're going to give that a clean. Then I've got these clips here, which will clip over the glass. So give the glass a clean and then re-seal it, and then put these clips on and screw it in. And then that should be the glass all done. Then I can get onto the tyres and the rear sway bar and handbrake. Alright, got the glass all cleaned. There's no more fucking like rusty metal like shit on it. So now I'm gonna put a bead of urethane just all around. And then I'm just gonna let the glass sit in these little rotators here. Like that. And then that should be all good. All done with putting the window in. Just got to pop some of these screws in to hold the clips in. I'm also going to give my hands a bit of a wash because I got all fucking shit all over it. So yeah, not too bad. Alright, I don't think I can put the bottom moulding on yet. Just want to let that super glue dry properly. I'll show you what I've done. So just this clip here has just a tiny bit of super glue at the back. And then this one's also the same, but it's also got an additional part of super glue on the top here. But the rest of it's all in, and the rest of the moulding's holding itself in pretty nicely. I'm just hoping I don't have just one of these, because I think I do need another one for my other 86, the one that I'm keeping. But for now, you know, gotta put it on there to sell it, so should be okay. In the meantime though, gonna work on Adrian's Lexus. He's doing most of the bodywork now, so I'm going to try and fit the BC coils into it and also help him out with the bodywork. Alright, what are we doing today with the Lexus?
So we're pulling out this whole dent through here because it got creased in because I think someone sideswiped it, so now I'm just pulling it back out, getting the line back again, and then throw some bog over it or file finish it, do whatever really, and then feather all out the edge here and then throw some bog here, tape up the line here so I can make it and get the shape so I can get the same there. So that's what we're doing. But on the other side, we've done some more repairs. There's still a bit left to do, like there's the boot here, the corner of this, corner of the corner there. Then we had, this was all kinked in here, so I had to bog it out all the way through there. But there's only that much there because then it starts to blend through, so, and then down up here there's another 2 dents, so it's not much, but it's all going to get 2-pack primed, all the repairs. The rest of the car is going to be probably buzzed down, but it's going to be finished in 800 grit at the end of the day because I'm not going for a solid black. I'm just going for now a black pearl, so it has to be done, it has to be left in 800 and yeah.
So these are the coils here. We're going to start with the front ones first, and then we're going to do the rear ones. Situation is it's turned into a 4-hour job as usual. We've just got the bowl joint out, so yeah, we're gonna keep going with it. And fucking even if we're here for the rest of the night, we're just gonna get it off. Fuck it.
Tried unbolting every single bolt and nothing's
Yeah, we literally unbolted the bottom.
We got the
all like the sway bar links and all that. So we grabbed the and then we got a massive mallet and just like smacking the shit out of the bowl joint and that. Alright, let's keep going.
Anyways.
Hallelujah, man. Got it off, ended up just spraying the shit out of it with WD-40 and then just pulling on it with some vice grips while we got a pry bar to lift up the drum.
bulge grip. We're going to take it for a little test drive, just see how it feels on the suspension, so I'm going to have to move my car real quick. She's low. Let's see how it drives.
Alright, pretty much we're gonna get the codes cleared after the car's resprayed and everything.
Yeah, so that's the BCs done on the Lexus. They feel really, really nice. We're gonna leave it here. Hopefully tomorrow I can finish the AE86, put like the rear bar in, put the sway-in bar in and the handbrake in properly, put the wheels on, and then yeah, she'll be basically done. Then can get it shipped back to the workshop at home, and then get it ready to be sold. So yeah, we'll leave it there.